Good morning to all. Today we are learning English Medium Science Class 6 Textbook Chapter number 3 Separation of Substance. Question number 5 is how will you separate sand and water from their mixture? Answer is separation of sand and water from their mixture is done by the process of sedimentation and decantation. First, allow mixture to stand in a glass for time till to sand settles down at the bottom of this process is called sedimentation. Second, slightly tilt the glass without disturbing the water and gently pour this water in another glass. This process is called decantation. So first, third, water and sand are separate now. First picture is sedimentation and second picture is decantation. Question number 6. Is it possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour? If yes, how will you do it? So answer is yes. It is possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour. The particles of wheat flour and sugar are different in size. Sugar particles are much larger than wheat flour and hence when we sift them through a sieve, wheat flour will pass through it, but sugar particles will remain on it. This way, sugar and wheat flour can be separated from the mixture. Question 7. How would you obtain clean water from a sample of muddy water? So answer is clear water from a sample of muddy water is obtained by sedimentation, decantation and filtration. First, pour the muddy water in the glass. Let it stand for half an hour. The mud will settle at the bottom of the glass. This process is known as sedimentation. Second, slightly tilt the glass without disturbing the water. Let the water from the top flow into another glass. This process is called decantation. Third, filter the clear water to remove traces of mud particles. This process is called filtration. The obtained water is almost clean. Question number 8. Fill up the blanks. First, the method of separating seed of paddy from its stalk is called threshing. Second, when milk cooled after boiling is poured in a piece of cloth, the cream is left behind on it. This process of separating cream from milk is an example of filtration. Third, salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. Fourth, impurities settled at the bottom when muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clean water was then poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this example is called decantation. Question 9. True false. First, a mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. Answer is false. 2. A mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by the process of winnowing. Answer is false. Third, separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. Answer is false. D. Grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation. Answer is false. Now question number 10. Lemonade is prepared by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice to the lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which case would it be possible to dissolve more sugar? Answer is we should add ice to the lemonade after dissolving sugar. Colder water dissolves less sugar as compared to when it is at room temperature. After adding ice, the water becomes cold and less get dissolved.